is it working? I do believe it is. Quality, oh, your grandma's so disappointed in you. Why on earth are you at the strip club? I don't understand it at all. I really don't. I really don't understand it at all. All I want to know, I just want to know why you are at the strip club. My granddaughter at the strip club, and with Iron Man, he's not that great of a guy, you know. I think he's married, sweetie. I really do think he's married. I think he's married indeed. So I guess you just gotta give up on it and stop going to the strip club, young lady. I've got to go. The muffins are burning. Yeah, the buns are burning. Oh, how that thing goes. But bye. Bye-bye. Oh, okay, I think I turned it off. Okay, bump up the music, boys. Oh, Brian is getting down tonight. Oh, dearie, the thing's still on. You saw nothing. Your grandmother is having a party. It's bingo night.